In today's video, we are going to talk about the order of adjectives in English. Understanding this rule is very important because it helps you to describe things accurately and effectively. Hello everyone, if this is your first time here, I'm Mina. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell below. Let's start the lesson without wasting any time. Using the correct order of adjectives makes your writing and speaking more clear and organized. It helps you to describe things in a logical and easy to understand way. For example, saying a red big car is awkward, but saying a big red car flows much better and easier to understand. So tell me, what is the correct order of adjectives in English? Adjectives usually follow this order: opinion or judgment. These words describe what you think about something. Like delicious, beautiful, awful, scary, interesting, exciting, boring, wonderful. Size. These words describe how big or small something is. Like big, small, huge, large, massive, enormous. Age. These words describe how young or old something is. Like old, young, new, fresh, antique, brand new, old-fashioned. Shape. These words describe the general shape of something. Like round, square, triangle, curly, wavy, straight. Color. These words describe the color of something. Like red, blue, yellow, pink, green, or whatever color you know. Origin. These words describe where something is from. Like saying the nationality: American, Italian, Spanish, Japanese, Chinese. Material. These words describe what something is made of. Like wooden, plastic, glass, metal, stone, silk, leather. Purpose or qualifier. These words describe the specific purpose or quality of something. Like educational, beneficial, helpful, critical. When you use more than one adjective to describe a noun, it's important to separate them with commas. For example, she has long curly hair. This makes your writing more clear and easy to understand. Look at the sentence once again. She has long curly hair. Long describes the size, curly is the shape adjective. Another example. A beautiful, large, old, circle, gray, Italian serving tray. Beautiful is the opinion adjective. Large shows the size. Antique refers to the age. Circle indicates the shape. Gray is the color, Italian is the origin, and serving shows the purpose of the tray. Now I give you 3 adjectives and I want you to put them in the correct order for the noun. My noun is wallet, and the 3 adjectives are leather, small, and red. Take a moment and think about it. Did you say Perfect. A small red leather wallet. Small, size, red, color, leather, material. Mina, can you give me a trick to memorize the order of adjectives easily? Of course, yes. Try memorizing this sentence. Old Sam's Aunt Sherry cooks only meat perfectly. Repeat it. Old Sam's Aunt Shirley cooks only meat perfectly. What do you mean? The initial letter of each word shows the type of the adjective. Isn't it clever? Old for opinion, Sam for size, Aunt for age, Shirley for shape, cooks for color, only for origin, meat for material, perfectly for purpose. Old Sam's Aunt Shirley cooks only meat perfectly. Memorize it. Memorize this rule, and from now on you'll be describing words more accurately and effectively, both in speaking and writing. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Thank you very much for watching and subscribing to my channel. Hit the bell to get a notification for new uploads. Use your time and watch one of these videos to improve your English. I'll be back very soon. Bye-bye.